Good afternoon on the 6th of March. An update on my broody. We have one chick. Oh, there we are, one chick. The other one died the other day, so we've only got one. My friend has he lost 86 silkies this morning he had a 40-foot shed caught on fire overnight, reckon arsonists. And I went to Newmarket last week and I picked these ducklings up. These are Muscovy ducklings. I picked 15 up, so 5 escaped the shed and survived. They're outside this morning with the big Muscovys, and I said I would look after them, put them under a heat lamp. It's about 15.3 degrees under there. They're about 4 weeks old. It is still cold here, it's 6 degrees, but they're out the wind. Nice heat lamp, nice water, and food over there in the corner. He lost 86 silkies, or silkies, paint silkies and stuff like that. Devastated. I'd been there this morning clearing up the mess. But there's a chick. It turned into be black. So fingers crossed.